In this video, I'm demonstrating how you can use um, the temporary chats in ChatGPT Plus. This is when you are working on a project, you would not want ChatGPT to keep whatever you are working on in memory. It could be that you are working on a document and you don't want ChatGPT to remember it for the purposes of AI detection later on in other applications. So you can just put on a temporary chat, which is just close to your account's icon. Once you toggle this on, anything that you put in here will not appear in your history, and ChatGPT will not use or update its memory with it. So for safety purposes, they have issued a disclaimer that they will be able to keep copy of this chat for up to 30 days, but it will not be used for the purposes of training um, their database. And so for this matter, it will not later on be identified in other AI detection tools as an AI detected text. This is very important if you are working on academic writings. You would not want it later to turn out as AI generated text. So you can upload your files, your documents still, and then go ahead and work here with the temperature, and you can still toggle between the various models that are available using the temperature. There's another option also when you have already done your work in the normal window and you want to delete it from your memory. This is how you go about that. All right. So I'm using um I'm using a prompt I just gave chat to do this demonstration. So I've asked about research memory in ChatGPT, and I want to delete this so that the content generated here or um this is a bit different. I mean, if you are doing an academic research and you've loaded your own files, you don't want ChatGPT to keep those files, then I'll just go here and then delete the chat. Once I delete it, it will be deleted. But mind you, it will stay in their memory for a period of time. I think about 30 days, not too sure. But once you click on this delete here, you are sure that this data will not be used to train future models. The last option is when you want to actually take away the part of your ChatGPT plus using your information for training AI models. That one, you click on your account, go to your settings, and under the personalization, you would see customization. Do you want custom instructions? I have some already in some part of my chat, so I'll keep it on. But when we get to this point, reference saved memories, you have to toggle it off if you don't want ChatGPT to keep in memory the things that you chat about. Other than that, you can keep it on. Then it asks you, let ChatGPT save and use memories when responding. Yes, if you want ChatGPT to save your memories and using responding. And mind you, now in the ChatGPT Plus, it's able to reference chats across various histories that you have. Initially, if you were working in one particular chat, the memory is in that particular chat. But now it can pick information from other things you've ever done in your account. So you can also manage your memories here. These are all the things it has saved in memory, right? And if I want to clear them, I can go through one after the other and delete the ones I want to delete or delete everything from the memory. So my team does writing for um, various people and all that. I can't go through the details here because of terms and conditions, but just to let you know, since I've been using this account to do other works, the names it has captured will not just be name of Yahweh JJC, it may be names of other people and all that. So I can delete those things from the chat history, right? Or I can delete all of this, and once I've deleted it, it forgets it at all. All right, I hope this video is helpful.